নমস্কার। আজকে শুরু করব স্পেশাল এপিসোড অন কাতান সিল্ক বেনারসি। এবং আপনারা বহুদিন ধরে আমাকে রিকোয়েস্ট করছেন সংস্কৃতি এত ভালো কালেকশনস কাতানের ওপর, অথচ আমি একটা এখন অবধি এপিসোড করে উঠতে পারিনি কাতান সিল্কের ওপর। সো আজকে আপনারা দেখুন শুধু কাতান স্পেশাল। আর স্পেশালি যেহেতু বিয়ের সিজন সামনে আছে এবং এছাড়া আমার কাছে এখন ভীষণ ভালো কাতানের স্টকও এসছে, যেটা আমি এতদিন ওয়েট করছেন যে বেস্ট অফ কালেকশনটাই আমি আমার ইউটিউবে দেখাবো প্রোগ্রামের মধ্যে। সো দেরি না করে শুরু করি। খালি আমি প্রথমে বলে দিই, কাতানেরও কিন্তু অনেক ভ্যারাইটি হয়। প্রচুর সিঙ্গেল ইয়ার্ন দিয়ে তৈরি হয়, যেটা ভীষণ হালকা হয়, ডিটি হয়, টিটি হয়, নানান রকম ভ্যারাইটির ওপর কিন্তু প্রাইসটা ডিপেন্ড করে। আমাদের কোয়ালিটি কিন্তু সমস্ত হ্যান্ডওভেন, পিওর হ্যান্ডলুম এবং দ্য হেভিয়েস্ট কোয়ালিটি অফ কাতান মেড অ্যান্ড হ্যান্ডওভেন বাই দ্য বেস্ট অফ উইভার্স অফ বেনারস। এবং আমাদের যে উইভার, যে মাস্টার উইভার, মানে ওনার আন্ডারে 3000 থেকে 3500 তাঁতিরা সারাদিন কাজ করছে। এবং মানে এত বছর হি ইজ উইথ মি ফর দ্য পাস্ট 22 ইয়ার্স, যে আমার সাথে একদম লেগে আছে। এবং ওনাকে কিছু বলতে হয় না, মানে হি ইজ one of the jewel in he's one of the asset in my business. I mean আপনি বলতে পারেন উনি একটা আমাদের পার্ট অফ দ্য ফ্যামিলি এবং হি ইজ জাস্ট টু গুড। সো আজকে ওনাকে শ্রদ্ধা জানিয়ে, ওনাকে অনেক কিছু থ্যাংক ইউ বলে যে উনি আমাদের এত সুন্দর সুন্দর উইভস হ্যান্ড উইভ করে দিতে পারছেন, ওনাকে একটা ভালো মানে বেস্ট উইশেস অ্যান্ড থ্যাংক ইউ বলে আমি প্রোগ্রামটা স্টার্ট করছি। এপিসোড 19 প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1 আমাদের খুব পায়াস কম্বিনেশন ইয়েলো অ্যান্ড রেড, উইচ ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট ইন আর বেঙ্গলি রিচুয়াল। একটা বিয়ের শুরুতেই আমরা কাঁচা হলুদ দিয়ে, মানে আমরা যখন বাজার করতে যাই, আমার মনে একটু হলুদ কিনে সবার আগে বাজারটা শুরু করি। সেরকমই দশকর্মা বাজারে হলুদটা আগে কেনা হয়, মানে আর্টিস্ট আমার বেলায় হয়েছিল, আমার মনে আছে। তো এই হলুদ আর লাল কম্বিনেশনের মধ্যে এটা একটা খুব সুন্দর একটা কাতান সিল্ক বেনারসি। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1 12,500 রুপিস। আর এটা হচ্ছে আঁচলটা, খুব ট্র্যাডিশনাল কম্বিনেশন, ট্র্যাডিশনাল উইভ, কিন্তু আমরা সেই ট্র্যাডিশনটাকে এখনও ছেড়ে উঠতে পারিনি। এখনও বিয়েতে মনে হয় বেনারসি থাকা দরকার প্রত্যেকটা ওয়ার্ড্রোবে। আমাদের ব্রাইডরা কিন্তু এখনও বেনারসি ছাড়া বেরিয়ে আসতে পারেনি। সো বেনারসি all the way in a different kind of I mean this is a very nice fabric of in pure silk, pure heavy quality katan silk, which I would say আপনারা হাতে পেলে বুঝবেন কতটা ভালো কোয়ালিটি কাতান সিল্কের ওপর। আর খুব হেভি, দেখুন আমার কিন্তু হাতটা ধরে বুঝতে পারবেন, আমার কিন্তু হাত দেখা যাচ্ছে না, মানে ভীষণ থিক কোয়ালিটি সিল্ক, ভেরি গুড পাট্টু হ্যাজ বিন ইউজড। এটা পুরোটা এরকমভাবে আসবে, গায়ে অল ওভার ছোট বুটি আসবে, ফুল ইয়েলো অল ওভার ছোট বুটি। এই পার্টটা কিন্তু উইভিং করা হচ্ছে না, বিকজ এটা আপনার টাকেন পার্টটা থাকবে। সো দিস পার্ট হ্যাজ নট বিন woven, but when you tuck this part you will understand the quality of this product. It is a very heavy quality. The booty is till the end, and the blouse piece I've already shown you, it's in bright red blouse piece. 12,500, product number 1. All my katan quality are of the single quality and all are very heavy quality. This is product number 2, a very bright gorgeous combination of royal blue and parrot green. See, this is royal blue and the border goes of parrot green. Beautiful combination of royal blue and parrot green. And here goes the parrot green blouse piece, and here goes the pallu part. Parrot green pallu. See the intricacy of the weave done fully in zari on pure silk. This is the border. I am showing you the close up so that you can see the intricacy of the Nakshi border. And this is the full sari. If you like the product, please take the screenshot where the number is given. If I'm missing out any number, you'll be able to see the color and the price in the screenshot, I mean in the description part. So you have to take the screenshot of the product along with the description. So it will be easy for me, even if I'm answering you at night, I don't have to look through my page. So it's 12,900 rupees, product number 2. So it will be easy even for my staffs to see if it's available at that moment or if it can be recreated. But let me tell you, these katans cannot be recreated because these are handloom product and one piece, single piece production. These are, you will get more variety of course, like we have many in our stores. Please do visit our both the branches, Baliganj and Cornfield Road branch in Kolkata. But particularly this piece is only one piece. This is in deep viridian green, not really bottle green but very good viridian green, bright deep viridian green with parrot green border. It's a monotone color with royal blue satin woven border in the edge. So this gives the break. See the booties, very close booty throughout the sari, very close boota throughout the sari will have close boota, and here goes the pallu part. So this is rich bottle green, viridian green color. This part is parrot green color, and this part is also, blouse piece is also in parrot green, but not the very loud parrot green which we are scared of. This is a very soothing color in parrot green which is going very well with this green. See the heavy quality, and it has a very good fall. I mean, these will, these are heritage saris, and of course generations can wear these saris. These never go out of fashion, nor do they change colors or get, even after washes nothing happens. Only that you have to dry clean, that's it. Normal maintenance, dry clean only, and just sometimes you can just polish if you are not wearing it for long. So that's it. This is in a silver grey color, a beautiful silver grey color with little larger boota and mine border, nakshi border. See, there are so many colors. Here goes the red, then the rani, then a blue, then another red, again a red, and then rani. So here goes so many colors in the border, one single border with so many colors that has been put in. And here goes the pallu part. I am showing you as closest as possible, so I am sure you will be able to understand. Please don't request me to send again videos or screenshots, because by the time I do that it will be gone. So it's 10,900 rupees, product number 3 with Rani color BP. So it's silver and Rani, a beautiful combination of silver, grey and Rani combination, a bright Rani combination with product number 4, 10,900 rupees, and yes, the booty will be throughout the sari. মা বরণের জন্যে জামাই এলো শাশুড়ি পরবেন বা শাশুড়িকে গিফট করবেন, মা বিয়েতে পরবেন, আইডিয়াল বেঙ্গলি কম্বিনেশন, হোয়াইট অ্যান্ড রেড কম্বিনেশন। একদম কি সুন্দর নকশি কলকাটা, কাজটা দেখুন, ব্রড বর্ডার, one side will have narrow border, very traditional combination, white and red, a little bit of off-white rather I would say, not exactly milk white, which I personally don't like the milk white type color because it reflects on our skin. Slightly off-white but more it's whitish. Product number 5, 13,900 rupees, product number 5 with bright red pallu and red Banarasi small booty woven blouse piece. So here is the border of the blouse piece, and here goes throughout the boota. So I would request again, please don't waste the material and make it sleeveless or something. Please use the fabric, because you are paying for this fabric, and I hate wasting any of this. Even when my customers come here and make blouses, I always suggest please use the full fabric, make big sleeves and use the border or whatever. Very traditional sari, so make traditional blouses. Of course you can change the necklines, and here goes throughout the sari will have the booty. 13,900 rupees, product number 5. Since the sari is white, the booty in the blouse piece will look very nice. Product number 6, Katan Benarosi without black is impossible. So here is a black for you, for all black lovers, and black, that also black with magenta and orange. আঁচলটাই খুলে গেছে একটা, হ্যাঁ, পাটটা দেখুন, all antique zaris has been used, no Rolex zari. I hate the shine, the the glazy zari that is used in the artificial katans. I hate it. I mean, I always like antique matte which has a heritage finish, and antique zari borders are very difficult to make because they are a bit thicker, and the neatness, very good artisans, without very good artisans nobody can make this kind of finish if it's not very experienced artisans. So here goes the border of Rani and orange in black, jet black, and price is 12,900 rupees. Here goes the pallu part, 12,900 rupees. And here goes the magenta dual tone blouse piece. Magenta dual tone blouse piece, this is the blouse piece. So here goes the full concept. Dual tone blouse piece, product number 6, 12,900, and full sari of course will be in black. Again, let me tell you can see the quality of the silk. This is where the border has been weaved, border has been woven, and here goes the full sari. Till the end there will be booty. Product number 7, a slate color. Somehow I personally love these earthy tones, and when it's slate color, this grey has been catching my fancy recently. It's a beautiful, rich, elegant grey with contrast border, and again see the border. It's a similar type to the black I shown you. Orange, mustard, rani, red. So many colors again in the border, and all in antique zari. Here goes the full sari. See the booty, all in antique, all antique zari. But still, because of the silk quality, there will be a richness. Of course, it doesn't mean antique means it's looking dull, no way. Because the silk is very rich and it's pure katan silk hand woven in heavy quality. And here goes the bright red blouse piece with this. Slate color with bright red blouse piece. Any age, and it's timeless combination. Anybody can wear it, even the youngsters and the elderly people. 12,900, product number 7. Here is the full work. Here goes. All saris are checked. Even before shipping we check and ship, and we are not using any filter. Showroom light I am doing the video. So the color may be light and deep because there is a bit of excess light, showroom light, but the color is more or less same. And I am mentioning all the color, I mean I can see the color, I can tell you exact color that I am showing you. And since we don't have any duplicate piece, the exact piece will only go to you. So be assured about that. This is a magenta and a purple combination. Here goes the magenta dual tone with narrow border. Both sides it will have a sleek border with very small buttas. All over butta in very small weaves, small motif. And here goes the pallu part. The pallu part will be like this, and here the purple blouse piece. This is the color combination. A very rich combination. Till the end, again the butta will come till the end. See the weave and the quality, the fall, the finish. It's beautiful. This is the last part that I am showing you. Here goes the sari. Very pretty colors, very rich color, and it's a pride of Varanasi, the land of temples. 12,900. Now same type of design, but the color is green, peacock green color, dual tone peacock green and red combination. But it has corner butta. This is konia. This is a term that the weavers use, konia. It's a corner butta concept. And here both sides, both the corners will have this corner butta. Very nice on when you wear it and you open the pallu part, this konia shows and looks very rich. And here goes the full sari with red border and red blouse piece. Here goes the pallu part and here is the blouse piece. Very heavy quality katan, let me assure you, very heavy quality katan. And since we are not resellers, we are all the products are there in my showroom, and I personally go and speak with the weavers. I do the settings, the combinations, and then that is what I'm getting. I'm not just buying online and then selling it to you. We have our own weavers where we are talking over months and making creations like that. 12,900, product number 9. So you can be sure that I'm happy with the quality. Once I'm happy with the quality and the color, only then can I forward it to you, because I know this is the thing that when you receive it, since you are buying it, seeing the video, but you haven't seen the quality, nor have you touched it, or you exactly don't know the color. But I can see it, so I'm not just buying randomly. This is what we are weaving, and I know when you receive it, and you receive it personally, I mean when you get the parcel and you are excited about it, you are happy when you receive the product. By this you can check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where customers are really writing the good review that on receiving the sari they are so happy, because even in the photo what they've seen in front, they are much more happier. So thank you so much for your love and support. Here goes the pallu part. This is the rich, you can wear it even during a reception and all. 13,500. Here goes the pallu, rich woven pallu and BP. Just see the weave, the border, delicate woven border. This is in light gold weave. Since it's a bit of bridal, it will go very well with gold, but I have one very special jewelry like what I am wearing. Polki kundan and polki, I mean with stones. I am wearing the green part of it, and this goes the magenta one. It goes with lot of sari. I mean magentas, I mean all of red and magenta everybody has. So 4,300 with earring. Even the green one that I am wearing, that is also 4,300 rupees, and this is the earring with the one which I am wearing. So here goes this is 4,300 with this earring. It's a kundan set. You get two colors. One is magenta red and this is the green one. 4,300 rupees. And then the sari is 13,500, product number 10. Just in case I have missed out the last part, here is the whole sari. It's a dual tone red rani combination, dual tone. Orange. Again a dual tone vermilion red kind color. Since it's dual tone, exact color it's difficult to tell you. It's reddish actually, it's red, but a vermilion red, kind of orangish red, tomato red rather, I would say tomato red with rani border. This can also be a very good bridal collection. Bright red, beautiful red, and this red goes with all complexion. People fear that it has to be very is it not too I hope it's not too loud. No, it's not too loud. It is definitely bright, but for bridal wear and for wedding purpose, this would be a very good color combination. Rani and red combination. 13,500 rupees, product number 11. 13,500 rupees, product number 11 with blouse piece. Here it is, the full sari. Small booties, small and big, two size booties throughout the sari. Very pretty, and the quality, the fall, the weave, I mean, no points to be deducted. I mean, full 100 on 100 sarees. Again, another black with Rani combination. Little bigger buta and see the weave. And this is a very nice magenta, deep magenta. This is the border, woven border. Here goes the full sari. Product number 12, 12,900 rupees. Product number 12, 12,900 rupees. The prices have slightly gone out after adding GST actually. There is a percentage of GST which is mandatory government tax that we have to add. Before these were slightly lesser, but now because of the GST we had to increase the price a bit after GST was implemented. So this is the whole sari. And you will receive proper tax invoice with all the products. Proper tax GST invoice will be sent to you with the product, and we ship locally also. In Calcutta, in certain areas we do cash on delivery. We have started cash on delivery now, but prices, charges applicable. And then out of Kolkata, of course, we do shipping, and out of India also. International shippings are done regularly, so you can place your order. But shipping, you can save on shipping if you buy a few more instead of just one or two. That's the way. This is the Rani blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Again, another yellow. The first one was yellow and red, but this is yellow and Rani. And this yellow is also a beautiful yellow. Paisley border. Main, I always give stress on the finish. একটা শাড়ির যদি ফিনিশ ভালো হয় তো ওটার আর কিছু লাগে না, মানে কালার, মানে ফিনিশটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট। আফটার অল দ্য এন্ড প্রোডাক্ট হ্যাজ টু গিভ আস some satisfaction. Like we designers, we receive so many products every day, every minute, but the finish is very important, because since you are buying you're giving us full support and you are seeing our products on, but you can't see the finish. So it's important for me and for you, when you receive the product, you should receive the best quality product. Here goes the blouse piece in Rani. Yellow and Rani combination, product number 13, 12,900 rupees. पूरा साड़ी में ऐसा बूटा आएगा, पूरा साड़ी में ऐसा बूटा आएगा एकदम एंड तक, और ये आपका बॉर्डर है रानी के साथ। हैवी क्वालिटी प्योर कातान हैंड वोवन साड़ी, प्योर हैंडलूम साड़ी है, एकदम हैंड वोवन, और ये बहुत हैवी क्वालिटी है। ये हल्का वाला कातान नहीं है, और ये सिल्क जो है ना, हम एकदम एंड तक काफ़ी वीवर्स, नया एक तो वीवर मैंने रिक्रूट किया था जो पहले मुझे ना एंड में वो कुछ मिक्स्ड क्वालिटी दे रहा था, और एक ही साड़ी आफ्टर आई रिसीव्ड आई कुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट ही हैड मिक्स्ड सम क्वालिटी इन द एंड. So we hardly see the last part, we see only the first part, but this is where the trick lies. So you can be assured the full sari till the end is pure Katan silk. So here goes the border, red border, dual tone pink color. It's a dual tone pink color. I think you can understand the two tone color that's coming. It's in pink and red combination. And product number 14, 13,500 rupees with red blouse piece. Red blouse piece, pure red, bright red blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece, and see the combination. Beautiful combination, very pretty combination. Now I'll show you the full sari. These saris cannot be recreated. Of course, you will get many variety, but these cannot be recreated. We always have katan in our store, so please visit for all variety of katan. This is only minimum, just 20 pieces that I could show in this video. Of course, I'll be doing more videos, but this is the best collection that I have now. This is in check katan. This is also katan but in checks. Rich black with copper zari border. Rich black pallu. And just see, fully upara woven blouse piece. Just see the weave of the blouse. Pure katan silk with fully Banarasi woven blouse piece with checkered katan. This is hand woven check katan. Product number 15, 12,900 rupees. Product number 15. So, just once more, the whole sari will be in checks. Very smart looking sari, very smart. Of course, with this you can make a high neck blouse also. It looks very smart. So this is Jamewar woven in katan. Sari itself is in pure katan silk, and here goes the fully woven throughout, a little bigger weave, but inside will have Jamewar weaving. There will be a woven texture in between. So it's not a plain one, though it's dual tone, but it will have a texture. Here goes the border. 15,900 rupees. 15,900 rupees. Product number 16. This is the pallu, and it's in purple. The whole sari is in purple. See the booty. Throughout the whole sari will have this buta, and this is the blouse piece. The border will be in both the side. 15,900. Product number 17 is the same that I am wearing. The one that I am wearing, now I will show you all the colors available in the one that I am wearing. This is in a midnight blue color with Meena border. This is a Meena border. See the weave, these are all Meena booties. Meena woven pallu. 14,500 rupees. 14,500 rupees. Product number 17. See the intricacy of the pallu. And let me show you, this episode I didn't show you. How come I didn't show you the back part? See the back part. I always show you my back part. See the weave. You don't need any finishing, no netting required. See the finish. It's absolutely well cut. The threads are well cut. 14,500 rupees. Midnight blue and Rani combination. Whichever you are liking, please take the screenshot of the sari along with the number and the description that is going on the screen, and see the blouse piece. So it will be easy for me to understand which you want. There won't be any confusion in case you miss out a number, or even I make a mistake in the number. So at least the picture will be there. This is the whole sari. Throughout the sari will have this booty. Big booty in the body and small buta in the blouse piece. So let me show you what I am wearing. This is in peacock green. A peacock green dual tone katan Banarasi with, just see the Meena booty. Throughout it there will be Meena buta. Even the border will have Meena booties. Peacock green color. This is the pallu. This is the pallu. Even the blouse will have small booty like I showed in the midnight blue one. Same booty all over. And the neck piece that I am wearing, I showed you previously. It's 4,300. It has a matching earring with this kundan earring. And the earring that I am wearing, of course I like the big jhumkas that and of course it's a wedding to wear it in formal occasion, so I am wearing a bit big one. This is 2250 in copper gold color. This earring is 2250 in copper gold color. And the pair of bangles that I am wearing, stone setting bangles, this is 2200 pair, 2200 rupees pair. See, there are so many colors there. 2200 pair, see green, black, there are so many colors. So it goes with all colors, 2200 pair. Product number 18. Another purple. Purple and Rani combination. See, these sarees you are wearing for formal occasions, to any parties, for wedding invitations. So you have to wear something very bright and rich. You need to stand out, right? So this is one color which will really look you very bright. The photographs come out very well. And this dark purple shade in dual tone, it's a very in color now. And that also with a magenta border. Here goes the pallu part, Meena booty all over of course, and like mine, the same sari will also have small booty blouse. This is the sari and the blouse will be like this. See the blouse piece. So these are little things like those were around 13,000. This is 14,500 because the weaver has added these extra weaves that is, and also this is Meena. This is with Meena. So these are the things that makes difference in the prices. The quality of course is same for all. A beautiful shade of silver grey and pale rose. Just see the combination. For those who like it elegant. This is a silver ash color with a pale rose fuchsia color border. Both sides same border again with Meena Butta and Meena border. Just see the color. Very rich, beautiful color. In fact, আমাদের আগের ঠাকুমাদের মাদের এই কালারগুলো খুব ইউজ হতো। আগেকার দিনের যে বেনারসিগুলো যেগুলো আমাদের কাছে আছে পুরনো বেনারসি, এগুলো আমরা হেরিটেজ বেনারসি যেগুলো প্যারেন্টসদের গ্র্যান্ড প্যারেন্টসদের থেকে আমরা ইনহেরিট করেছি, দে লাভ দিস কালার্স। 14,500 rupees, product number 19. একদম শেষ অবধি মিনা। সিলভার অ্যাশ অ্যান্ড এটার সাথে ব্লাউজ পিস পেয়ে যাবেন। ব্লাউজ পিস এরকমই আসবে। এটা ব্লাউজ পিসটা আমাকে আবার দেখতে হবে, ওটার সাথে কোনো মিনা নেই, রানিংও হতে পারে। আপনি একবার আমাদের যারা ওটা বুক করছেন প্লিজ আমাকে একটু এ করবেন, আমি বলে দেবো ওটার ব্লাউজ পিসটা মিনা আছে না রানিং আছে। পিকক ব্লু, deep turquoise blue, peacock blue, which is this is a dual tone peacock blue with this border, Rani border, Rani blouse, blouse will be booty, Rani pallu. See the color. Very rarely we receive this color. Very uncommon shade of a peacock blue. It's turquoise peacock blue, not the royal tone, not the royal blue peacock. This is original peacock blue, the color turquoise blue, and this is the blouse piece. So this is the last product, product number 20, 14,500 rupees, product number 20. So if you like my products, please like, share and subscribe. So if you subscribe, then you will be getting the regular notifications, and thank you for commenting on my videos, And if you have any queries, or you can please WhatsApp me. I personally reply most of the WhatsApp that's going in the 7603042696. Please visit both the branches where you can get to see more varieties of our products. And so keep watching. I'll be showing more videos very soon. Thank you so much.